I'm up before the sun, coffee black and strong, my dog in the truck, I'm glad we both get along. From Hilo Town to Cornerside, I work with integrity and build with pride. I'm the king of busted clutches, and I work on any rides. From John Deere to Ferguson, to Ford or whatever, son, I'm gonna get you going again. One toe on the pedal, one eye on the load. From corner to hobby, I know every road. From wild dry winds to pooling rain, keeping wheels in line. When I'm on the road, the farmer's gonna be just fine. Auntie won't wait, Uncle